Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explain. So basically, this is the one feature that we always discussed in the videos, but we didn't use the exact syntax that we will be using in today's video. But I would like to give you a disclaimer that this particular topic about this we have discussed 20% I guess in the previous videos, but we are going to cover this completely in this video. So basically, what is the meaning of the size grip, what it does, everything is displayed here in your screen. You can read this out, or more than that, I can give you an explanation that what it does basically size grip widget is typically helps you in dragging the corners dragging the corners and the edges of your window screen. You must have witnessed this a lot of time when you run some GUI application specifically using Tkinter. You must have witnessed this that sometimes widget comes into a uh, very small very screen. We have to give a size like 300 or 200, and sometimes we didn't able to see our widgets clearly, so we have to maximize it, or we have to drag the wedges and the corners. So this is all about this particular feature in the Python Tkinter. So basically we will be using this particular syntax over here. Master is a root that you know already, and this is a keyword that we use to specify the size script appearance. Like we want it to be 300 or 200, something like that. Like it's like that only. So basically this is what the syntax that we use. Sometimes we use TTK, sometimes we use only TK. So it depends upon the TTK or TK that you have called in the starting, in the code. Now we have to understand this, that what it basically does, like how it does basically. आपको क्या करता है तो समझ में आ ही गया है. So to start this, we firstly have to import a tkinter as tk. Then we'll just root tk.tk, then this, then we'll specify the geometry size, जो कि हम हमेशा हमारी हर वीडियो में करते हैं. यही वो एक पॉइंट है जिसके बारे में आपको बता रही थी अभी, कि ये एक ऐसा पॉइंट है जो हम हर एक टिकंडर के वीडियोस में करते हैं. साइज स्पेसिफाई करते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर नीड्स एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द एप्लीकेशन नीड्स बेसिकली. सो दिस विल बी द इनिशियल साइज वी कैन से. ये हमारे कोड का हमारे इस पूरे इसका इनिशियल साइज रहेगा. That will not get exceeded up to this. Apart from this, we enter the size over here. अदरवाइज साइज इसका यही रहेगा. अब हम जो फीचर यूज करने वाले हैं, we don't use this on daily basis, that is root dot resizable. Now I'll use here the width, then I'll use here true, then height, then again I'll use true here, then this use resizable का काम खत्म हो गया. Now we have to make a label कि जब हमारा विंडो रन हो तो हमारे पास कुछ तो हो वहां देखने के लिए, right? Some text must be there to see, so that हम उसको देख पाए कि हमारा वो पर्टिकुलर टेक्स्ट विजिबल भी है या नहीं है. Then we'll mention here text, then we'll say, then we'll specify here resizable window, and that's it. We don't have to do it more. Label, we have to pack it as well. So just pack it like this, and root dot main row. That's it. My code complete हो गया. Now we just have to run this to see how it comes out. Okay, we have an error in line number 5. So basically we have to guess what kind of error is here in line number 5. So guys, can you guess that what error is here? Here we have mentioned x, that is the variable string. Here we have to use this here. Now we are done. So you can see ये हमारा रिसाइजेबल विंडो. अभी हमारे ये दोनों फंक्शंस दोनों चीजें हमारे पे ट्रू हैं. सो हमारा ये रिसाइज हो जाएगा अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर नीड्स. वी आर ड्रैगिंग द कॉर्नर्स एंड द एजेस, एंड ये रिसाइज हो गया अकॉर्डिंग टू द नीड्स ऑफ आवर. नाउ सी, अभी आप देख लो, बहुत क्लियरली देख लो कि मैंने यहाँ पे इसको साइज का बड़ा कर दिया है, छोटा कर दिया है, फ्रॉम एवरी कॉर्नर, फ्रॉम एवरी wedges side. You can see it clearly, right? It's getting minimized again and again. Okay. आपने देख लिया कि कैसे ये हमने कर दिया इसको सही. Now I just change a simple thing in the code, like I'll just make it false. ठीक है? I'm just making a one width false only here to see what it happens. See, from here I cannot do anything, but from here I cannot. But from here I think I can. Yeah. But from here we cannot, because I've mentioned here width as false, right? So basically, if you want in your application that this someone cannot just remove or just change the height of the window, you can just make it false, and you can, if you want that person can only use this, then you can make it true. So let's see. I will make it false as well. Okay. So according to code, our window should not be able to resize now. Resizable हमने यूज किया, but resize होगा नहीं actually, because हमने फीचर ऐसा यूज किया है इसमें. So there is no option to minimize, to maximize basically. You can see here इसका actual size, इसका initial size, सब कुछ इसका यही है, इसमें कोई change नहीं होने वाला. ये जैसा है वैसा ही रहेगा. You cannot even do this. You cannot even drag or do anything from the edges or from the corners. You cannot do this. So this is what the root dot resizable does in your application. So इसको आप तब use कर सकते हैं when you want someone to look the content, to execute things only in the specified window size. Okay. So I hope इतनी चीजें clear हो गई हैं. If yes, if you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, if you found this video useful and helpful for your next upcoming projects, then just like this video. Also, if you have any doubts, just drop the comment in the comment section. I'll answer those questions. For now, that's it for this today with today's video, guys. We'll meet in the next video with a new topic, with a new exploration things, new codes. For more info, for more things, you can follow the Instagram page, Facebook page, and Twitter as well. You can find some good quizzes over there with coding questions over there for your preparations of the Python. Now, bye bye, guys. Take care.